You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -1. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -1.